Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Dogecoin currency in the Binance. The first thing, you need to download Binance app. When you download it, open it. Let me choose. I need to switch to light version. What's going on? Just for a second. I can see how you buy the Dogecoin. Hit the yellow button in the button and buy and search for Dogecoin. I can see and hit it. How much you pay? Maybe $100. Hit buy and you choose your wallet. When you choose the pay with the card, you hit the confirm. You type your name or your card number or everything and put in address, and that it you can buy it. And this video for today, I hope you to subscribe to my channel to see you new stuff in the coin or make money online, and see you guys. Bye bye.